Hey guys, this is Tim. I just received this retractable water hose reel from Giraffe Tools to do a review. It's 65 feet, half-inch hose. So let's open it up, look at its features, and give it a try. Okay, it comes with a retractable hose reel owner's manual. This is model SGW-MW2OUS. Spray nozzle, I think it has 9 different settings. We'll look at that further. Okay, now that we've got everything out of the box, this is the hose reel itself. Before we look at it, it has a mounting bracket with 4 mounting holes, and it came with some lag screws and anchors that you could mount the hose reel to the wall. You would just affix this to a post, and then you have this pin that you would place in here to lock it in place. And this would allow the hose reel to rotate 180 degrees. I'll demonstrate that later. It's got a 65-foot length water hose that's already retracted inside. It's a half-inch hose. And then you have a 5-foot leader hose that you would screw into your water source or water faucet. Also included is Giraffe's spray nozzle. It has 9 different settings. It has soaker, cone, rinse, shower, vertical, angle, center, mist, and back to flat again. So you have a variety of different spray patterns. It has a rubber grip handle as well. Okay, the reel is made of a hard plastic shell. You have a viewing window here on the top that you can see the hose. It has a plastic stop that will allow the hose to stop and not be retracted all the way in. So when you extend it out your length, it will automatically lock into place wherever you stop. And to return it, it has a soft return. Just slightly pull it and it'll return back in to the stop. Here's some instructions printed on a tag. So let's get this mounted to a post and give it a try, and we'll feature more of this retractable water hose reel. Next, we want to take this pin out, align the reel, slide it through the swivel. Allows the hose reel to swivel 180 degrees. Be sure and put this cotter pin in to secure it from the bottom. Okay, screw on the spray nozzle. Screw on the leader hose to the faucet. Turn on the water. You can pull it out and it'll stop. So you have 65 feet of water hose. To retract it, you just tug on it and then release. And it has a soft return. If you need to adjust this up closer, just loosen this screw right here, slide it up, tighten it back in place. So you can see the different settings: shower, vertical, angle, center, mist, flat, soaker, cone, rinse, then back to shower. This is off and on. Great nozzle. So the retractable hose stopped in place. To return it, just pull it slightly. For a soft return. So this is a fantastic product. I like how it mounts easily to the wall, and the fact that it swivels 180 degrees, made of hard shell plastic, 65-foot water hose, half-inch, soft retractable hose. So I highly recommend this retractable water hose reel from Giraffe Tools.